And from this view, we got the lion, beautiful double-sided lion sign. A little bit of tarnishing on the one side of the lion sign. Cadillac sign again, nice piece, double-sided, hanging. Rexall drug sign. It's in a canister. Sorry about the glare, but it's ready for neon or just hang it the way it is. Again, porcelain, very nice piece. So as you can see, we're coming along pretty good. And then let's just go into the other gallery where, you know, it's just not all about gas pumps. We've got lots of collectibles here, big or small. The shelves are filled. Some reproduction signs, of course. Every place has to have that. And of course, the Harley collection. Just, you know, there's something here for everybody. In the other room, I got antiques and even a Barbie car. Hey, it's a collector's piece. But yeah, the Harley stuff is amazing. And again, selling it by the shelf lot. This is my, you know, not one piece at a time. What you see on the one shelf is, and it's all, you know, group lotting. I want to tie up everybody here for hours and hours. Like, we want to get her done. But some really cool stuff. Just, and the building's got that wow factor. There's stuff in here that's going to fit in your building and do the same for you. And again, there's projects here, so if you see something that doesn't have any hoses on it or a sticker, don't be alarmed. It's a work in process. Banners, Sunoco sign, race suits, the Coca-Cola, Coke machines, bubblegum machines, you know, fancy trash cans and three-wheel bicycles and the Coke collectibles, selling by the shelf, you know. And yeah, there's just a bit of everything. And popcorn machines, candy machines, mailboxes, paper boxes, fire hydrants, just a lot of great stuff. Had a lot of fun collecting this stuff over the years, and now it's got to go. And you know, there's again more signs, big signs, small signs. That Harley, there's two Harley bar and shield signs, and the Coke bar right now we're using as a desk, but I'll get a better shot of that when we're done. Coke cash register, you know, we'll move into again the marine pumps, some amazing stuff. And let's go this way here. 1950s bumper car, just a really cool piece. This restaurant booth set up, the really some original globes, some amazing toys. You know, this Buddy L cement plant, beautiful piece. Just, we're gonna have fun. Hot dog dispenser, milk can turned into a Harley stool, you know, Coke deck set, and champion photos with some literature, some reproduction globes, original globes, huge brass spotlight, just, yeah, wow. 1920s water cooler. Again, there's something for everybody. Oil bottles, there's tin cans, lampshades,